This is the Ender 3 3D printer. I have purchased this for my son, and it is a very solid 3D printer. We have it all set up working well. We did go ahead and upgrade the plate to a glass plate, which was nice. I really do like that. Being new to 3D printing, I think it's a solid 3D printer. So I'm learning a lot from using it. Overall, the print quality is very good. It's pretty quick as far as speed. It's a lot better than the other one we tried before this. And everything comes out great. And you can go through and continue builds if they start to fail, which is really nice. Few things to note: it does get really hot down here by the needle, so you want to be very, very careful of that if you're going through, because these do get hot. The plate itself will also get hot, probably not hot enough to burn you, but you want to be careful with that. Overall, my thoughts on this printer: very solid. One thing I'll say is I do find myself having to adjust the bed to make sure it's level very often. So there's one thing I really wish would be more stable, because I'm always aligning the bed. If something moves just a bit, your next print might be off, so you have to make sure it's level each time. As long as you have your bed level though, no issues, everything's solid, the printing works, and everything just flows through it. I do think this is a great starter 3D printer, and you'll be able to print some really cool stuff with it. My name's Kevin, and I really hope this was helpful. Hey everyone, before we wrap up, I just want to let you know, if you're interested in purchasing the product I reviewed today, there's a link in the description box below. Just to be completely transparent with you all, I do earn a small commission from any purchases made through the link, but it doesn't cost you any extra. But using my link will go through and support my work, and I generally appreciate that. Your support helps me continue to create more content and provide honest reviews for you. If you'd like to see more product reviews, feel free to visit my Amazon storefront below. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope my tutorials continue to be helpful to you.